Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today I would like to show you how to use AND or and not operator in MS SQL. So in this tutorial I will show you all the use of this all these operator by giving an example. So let us begin with our tutorial. First we will create a database bmc underscore db. Just simply select and execute it. Select your database. After that, we will create a table. So, write create table. Table name will be line table. Open a bracket, close a semicolon. We will pass 4 parameters: CID, begin, comma, cname, varchar 50, comma, c city, varchar 200, comma, c price float. After that, simply select and execute. Then we will insert few records. So write insert into line table value, open a bracket, 1 comma name Viraj, comma city Mumbai, comma salary price will be 15,000. Same way we will insert 5 more data. So copy this, paste it. Second record will be Raj from Delhi. Price will be 10,000. Third record will be Anil, and price will be 10. Then 4, 12. Then 4 will be Sunil, Mumbai. Price will be 9. Then fifth record will be Reyes, Jaipur will be city 11. Sixth record Ajay, Mumbai 60. Just simply select and execute it. All the data will be inserted. Let's check it. Right, select star from line table. Just simply select and execute it. So all the data are inserted. Now first I will show an example of an operator. So write select star from client table where C name is equal to single inverted Viraj and city is equal to single inverted Mumbai semicolon. Just select and execute it. So it shows my record number 1, which proves that an operator display a record if all the conditions separated by AND is true. So our next example will be related to your OR operator. Just simply copy this, paste it here, copy this city, paste it right here Pune. Simply select and execute it. Sorry, here OR operator. Just simply select and execute it. So this shows that the OR operator display a record if any of the condition separated by OR is true. So our next example will be based on your NOT operator. So right here, just simply copy this, paste it, here write NOT and execute it. So remaining all the cities are displayed except your Mumbai. That shows that NOT operator display a record if the condition is not true. So in this way you can use all these operator and or and NOT operator. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share it and keep supporting me. Bye.